like barefoot in America. This is the equivalent. Another day, another beer, baby.
Another day, another beer. So we didn't do a little good morning thing or a little good morning message today because we were kind of in a rush. We tried to go for a run, but as soon as we got ready and outside, it started pouring down rain. So did a little workout in the room and we ate some breakfast, which was delicious. If you could guess what it was. Bocadillos. We had leftover stuff from yesterday, so I had to get rid of it. Now we're at the airport, drinking a beer, waiting for our flight to Lagos, which is in about, oh, okay.
About to eat one of these guys. It's famous.
Pastel de nata.
Yeah, they're famous to Portugal, so it's like a custard cup inside a phyllo pastry. So it's supposed to be delicious. We'll see. It's delicious.
Waiting for about an hour. It was super quick to go through the airport security, surprisingly, and yeah. Waiting to board. Made it to Lagos, going to check into our, I want to say albergue, but it's not an albergue.
It's a hostel now.
It's just a hostel. So, shout out to Sam and Gail. Thank you so much. This private room is on you guys. So, thank you, thank you. Just gotta find it now. So far, this town is beautiful. Can't wait to explore it more. We are just very hungry and we need to check in. So, check back with you shortly.
Just got in to our Airbnb, our little hostel. It's a 1-bedroom, really cute. Well, we have a private bath, which is the main event because sharing bathrooms in hostels is some of the worst pain. So yeah, just exactly what we needed. Alright, so we made it to this cute little Nepalese place. It's called Momo. It's like a 3-minute walk from our place and it just sounded really good. So here's the inside of it. They also have like a spillover one across the street for the extra seating. The food sounds and looks amazing, so we'll keep you tuned. Steve Mumu.
Some duck, fried duck with egg, fried chicken with egg salad, Momo, New Year's, wife.
No margarita, so
toes in the sand, not a worry in the world of cold beer. Yeah! Oh, it's so cool! Hey, diving.
Sick. Not allowed to say that.
I didn't say it.
This place is so fun.
Give me a margarita and some cats.
Yeah. I think it's margarita time. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Ooh.
It's very lime. Very much lots of lime.
Lots of lime. So funny.
Best food in the lago.
Amazing. Good morning from day 2 in Lagos, first full day. We just went for a quick run, did a casual 4 miles, which felt really good. And now we're gonna eat breakfast. Then we're gonna go meet up with some friends from Guatemala at the beach. Shout out Dulce and Neil. We're gonna go to a very picturesque beach. Super excited for that. And then later, all you can eat sushi, hopefully. All right, so we are officially about 10 minutes out from one of the prettier beaches here on Lagos. Very excited to lay out and relax. Just slept in today, which was amazing. Yeah, we enjoyed Lagos last night. It was a lot of fun, a lot of bars. Definitely felt like a tourist surf town, but it's very, very nice change of pace from, you know, along the pilgrimage and just to experience something different.
Makes you feel like you're on your honeymoon.
Yes, it does. So, gonna find our way to this scenic lookout point and then down to the beach. I love all the different colors here. Houses are so crazy. They're like compound-ish. When you walk in, there's like 4 different houses in one. So many people. Good, how are you?
Great.
Thank you, so do you.
Like a what? So this was professional.
Yellow is my favorite.
Well, I agree.
Big chicken.
Time for sushi. Thank you so much.
So much.
Really good. We're getting more of them.
Magnifico.
I was just about to get
All you
this,
can
but
eat
covered it in all
sushi
grease.
commencing right now.
You just like, yeah. This is how you create a beautiful Savannah state.
Carlitos, vamos.
Alright, so we are at a mall in Lisbon. Just got off the bus. Needed to find food, needed to find a toilet. Took 4 tries to find a toilet because they're all being cleaned. So now we have some food. Looks delicious. This is beef, I think. Roasted veggies and rice. She got a roasted chicken, half roasted chicken. Yeah, so we are eating and we are then catching a train to our Workaway. A lot to explain, we'll explain that later. But malls are still alive in Portugal.
We did it.
So, just had to run across the train station to buy our tickets. Our train's supposed to leave in about 4 minutes. And it's not here. Maybe it's probably gonna pass through. Regardless, we are here where we're supposed to be. And we think.
We'll be fine.
But all is well.
You say that a lot.
All is well?
What if it's not well? It's going up in flames. We're not fine. Nothing's fine.
All is well. Yep.
I think I just saw a pilgrim.
Made it to the train. On the train. Heading away from the train station.
Fun fact, people actually started the Camino Portugal in Lisbon, which is where we're leaving right now. So we actually might see some pilgrims. Buen Camino.
Buen Camino. So anyway, we're heading towards Santarém, which is where we're going to be staying with a woman to do a workaway for 2 weeks. So she's going to host us in exchange for us helping her with whatever she needs on her farm or with our garden and restoring this old house, and she's gonna feed us and let us stay there. So, amazing. We are on the way, and we are beating that train. Made it to Santarém. Waiting on our ride. Looks like she might be pulling up. All right, check in shortly.